In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create AI social posts with Chatgpt-4o in just 5 minutes. This is a quick and efficient way to generate engaging content for your social media platforms, leveraging the power of artificial intelligence. Whether you're a seasoned social media strategist or new to the game, this process will help you create captivating posts with minimal effort. First, we'll kick things off by accessing ChatGPT. If you haven't yet explored the capabilities of this AI, now's the perfect time to dive in. You can easily find ChatGPT online. Once there, you'll want to open up the platform. This is where the magic happens. With all the tools at your fingertips, you'll be ready to start crafting those posts. Next up, you're going to start a new chat. It's a straightforward step, but essential since this provides you with a clean slate. In this new chat, you'll be able to interact directly with the AI, which is what we'll need for creating your content. Make sure you're in this new chat environment before proceeding, as it'll ensure that the AI's focus is solely on your current project. Now, one of the key elements of creating successful social media content is knowing your brand or the vibe you wish to portray. Think about what your brand represents, the tone of voice you normally use, and how you want your audience to perceive you. Communicate these details succinctly to the AI. You might say something like, "I'm aiming for a friendly and upbeat tone," or "I want this to feel professional yet approachable." Giving ChatGPT a strong sense of your brand's identity helps tailor the output to better meet your needs. After setting the tone, it's time to deliver the main request. Ask for a content batch. This means you're asking ChatGPT to generate multiple posts for you, all in one go. Having a batch of content at your disposal not only saves time, but also ensures consistency across your social media presence. When you make this request, be specific about what you're looking for. Include details such as the platform you're posting on, the type of content you want, be it inspirational quotes, product announcements, or engagement questions, and any other nuances important to your strategy. Taking these steps together, you've effectively harnessed the power of AI to streamline your social media content creation. With these new posts at your fingertips, you can focus more on other important aspects of your business, secure in the knowledge that your social media presence is being handled with the creativity and intelligence of AI. Embrace these tools and see how they can enhance, simplify, and elevate your social media strategy. That's it for today. Get ready to watch your audience engagement soar with these crafted posts.